Hey guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. Haven't posted in a while. Life gets in the way. Of course, this is the J10 and the interior is about done. So I wanted to give you guys a look at that. So the dash pad's been redone. Dash has been repainted. New carpeting. Seats have been reinstalled. It still has not got the headliner in it or the door panels. That's okay. Those are going to come a little bit later. Overall, it's starting to come together and look good. And what we worked on today a little bit was the bed of the truck. So you can see this is the tailgate, and you can see it's pretty nasty. The whole bed was like this. No rust through, but I stripped all the paint out of it and went ahead and put some Rust-Oleum, rolled it on, some dark brown. I am going to bedline this thing probably, but I wanted to get all that crap out of it before I just laid anything on top of it. So everything's a project, but overall I think it's starting to come together and look pretty good. Show you the other side here. Of course, it's going to need to go to a body shop, get some of this stuff taken care of. And this is the passenger side view. I think it turned out pretty nice, actually. The interior was pretty much like the tailgate. And some of my previous videos, you guys saw that I repainted and put hush mat in all around the cab. So hold on one second. The wife and I put this in, and behind that is hush pads. So, and this is a piece of corrugated plastic board I got at Home Depot and cut it to fit. Got some fabric at Walmart. It's leather faux. I can't say the word. It's fake leather. So, and I used headliner spray to attach it to the board, and it turned out pretty good, actually. So, you know, everything's the details, right? Everything's a detail. So it just takes time. I got a new antenna for the radio. No radio in it yet, but I got the clocks in it, the dash is in, the glove box, etc., etc. So it's doing pretty good, actually. Had to put a new battery in it. And then, of course, when I started working on the bed, I took the roll bar out because they were all cruddy, and I've redone those, stripped them, repainted, and it's got like 6 coats of paint on it over the course of 2 or 3 days. So I start with semi-gloss black, put about 2 cans of that on it, give it a nice enamel base, and then I use a flat black on top of that, and it gives it this flat black matte kind of satiny finish. I kind of like it. That's the way I've done my Jeep and my wife's car. Here's the other part here, and you can see it turned out pretty good. It's a driveway job, right? That's what we all do. So close the door. Once again, 1977 J10 quadra-track, automatic, 3-speed, 360 V8. Got a 4-inch lift, 35-inch Mickey Thompsons. I got these mirrors off of Amazon, put those on. They're chrome, or supposed to be chrome, but the first set I bought, I mounted them on the Jeep, and within 3 weeks they rusted. I couldn't believe it. Of course, they came from China. So that made me want to go ahead and basically paint them like I did the roll bar. So I took the sander, roughed it up, gave the paint something to stick to, and so far it's holding up. So kind of go from there. I'm trying to think what else I can tell you. That's probably about it. It seems like not a lot has gone on, but it's been one heck of a lot of work. To refurbish the dash pad, you know, I had to sand some of that down, use some Bondo, because it had a couple big cracks in it, and you could probably see where they were, but hey, it's close enough for my purposes. So I think it turned out really nice. I like the color it came in, and it got painted with some dashboard slash fabric paint, and I want to say it was from Rust-Oleum or somebody. No, Duplicolor. It was from Duplicolor. So they only have 2 or 3 shades, but hey, it turned out really nice considering you know, 1977 truck. So you can see it's looking pretty clean now. All my gauges are working. You know, I don't have any complaints there. There's some touch-ups that I got to do at seat bracket. You know, if I ever want to make it perfect, I'm going to have to find a center console for it. And I got a German Shepherd, so he likes to go for rides. I'm going to have to figure out if he's going to sit in the floorboard or if he's going to try and squeeze into that bucket seat. We'll let you know. So anyway, thanks for joining and coming back and taking a look at our videos. It's a work in progress, but yeah, I like the way the beds turned out, and we'll get some bed liner in there probably next week. Give this paint a little time to cure, and kind of go from there. It's not perfect. It's not supposed to be perfect, and I'm okay with that. And we'll just see how it goes as things progress. And once again, thank you very much for your support of the channel and everything. These trucks are 1977 technology at its best. So the ride's a little stiff, but that's the new 4-inch lift, and we'll get it all squared away. And yes, we are a Jeep family. There's my JKU, the J10, and lastly, my wife has a WJ. So thanks, have a great day, talk to you soon.